change of diet salad. I have, instead of french fries, I have raw cucumber and celery fries, sliced tomato, baked gala apple, and sliced. And I have some pickle fries, raw pickle fries. I have some, wait a minute, I have some small tangerine and some baked chicken breast. This is my dinner. Thanks for watching. This is my back to health meals. Hello. Well, since I changed my diet, this is what my breakfast, lunch, and dinners, or even snack food, is looking like. This morning, this is my morning plate. I have boiled egg, slices of tomato, blueberries, cranberries, a baked all natural turkey burger. I have some thin sliced squash. I have some raw celery fries. I have tangerine, a couple of tangerine slices, a baked apple with lemon, a little avocado, and some lettuce up under there. Yeah, this is a very filling plate and healthier, and I feel better eating this way. I don't use any black pepper anymore. I believe it was irritating my stomach. So my seasonings that I use now are just garlic and onion powder, a little salt, and some Italian seasoning. And the rest of the seasonings are the fruities and the veggies. Yep, just wanted to share. Jenny, hello. How's your diet going? How you feeling? Hello to all the sisters. Have a great day. Keep you all in my prayers. That's all for now. Pictures. Oh, Jenny, I forgot to mention that if you ever want some healthy or version of ice cream, just slice up bananas and freeze them and just, eat 2-3 slices for a snack. It's very filling, and you're also not being greedy with the sugar because, bananas are high in sugar. So just have a couple of slices a day. It's really delicious. Frozen bananas. Incredibly delicious natural ice cream. So just want to share that. And also I'm going to share with you some other frozen snacks. I bought some tangerines and I peeled them and I freezing them for little snacks, just like the banana slices. Just when I want a snack or when I want just something to nibble on, I just eat a couple of these frozen fruits and veggies. So this is the tangerines. I have blueberries, cranberries. I sliced up some, wait a minute, let me move stuff over. I sliced up some squash, and I have frozen, probably can't see those blackberries so good. Those are blackberries. And also I have to fill this up. I was using my mandolin slicer. You must invest in a mandolin slicer. Even though I do have that KitchenAid slicer, all kind of gadgets and stuff, because I do have that KitchenAid thing where you can peel apple slices, stuff like that. But the mandolin works miracles too. It's beautiful. So, like I said, these are some of my snacks, fruits and veggies that I freeze and enjoy moderately and minimally because of the sugar. But if I want something sweet, this is what I eat. Okay? So just want to give you some ideas and tips that hopefully are useful to you, Jenny, or any of the sisters that are listening, or anybody probably know or you don't know, but this is something you could do for a healthier sweet snack. Okay.